Hello everyone, today we will talk about the question 2 of homework 5. And look at the question, we already know the fxy looks like this. And the question asking us to draw the non-zero definition region of fxy. So in here, we can draw the coordinate first. First, we can draw the line. It's in here, which is x equal to y. And the other line looks like that. With this line is y equal to 1 over x. And here, the intersection is y equals to 1. So the non-zero definition region is this shaded area in here. And the second question asks us to find a, so that fxy is a valid joint function. Since we can say this is a valid joint function, so we can say the equation, the integral of this equation is equal to 1. So in here, since for the negative infinity doesn't have meaning in this equation, so we can just say 1 in here. We can do the integral for this equation. Then we can prove that we can find a, so this equation is a valid joint. For solving this integral, we can say the result is he can obtain this thing in here after solving this integral. So we can say a is equal to 2. So our conclusion is that when a equals 2 to 2, the fxy is a valid joint density function. Now let's look at the third question. It asks us to find and draw fx and fy. So for the fy, we can find its integral. So we can find the fy function. After solving this integral, we have this equation here, ln y over y squared. Since y, the range for y is from 1 to infinity. So for we can y for fy, it looks like that. Having the fy range, we can draw the fy graph. Starting from 1, the fy graph looks like this. And now we need to find the fx. Same approach as the previous, still using integral to find that. For fx, we have two different range. In this 0 to 1 range, the result of integral is equal to 1/2. And the other range is 1 to the infinity. The result of integral looks like 1 over 2 times x squared. So now we can write the fx like this. After having this wing, we can draw the fx. We can draw the fx graph. 0 when fx equal to 0 is other case. So we can now draw the graph, which looks like that. And here the point is 1. This equation is 1 over 2 times x squared. Now let's look at the fourth question. The question asked us to verify fx and fy are valid density function. Since we need to say they are the valid density function, so we can write this integral in here to find if it equals to 1. After solving this integral in here, we found that the result is equal to 1. So fy is a valid density function. Now let's say to prove for the fx, for still using the integral to prove that. Since fx have 2 different regions, so we need to write it like this. For solving the result of this integral, we found it also equals to 1. So we can now say fx is a valid density function as well. Now, we already finished the question 2. And that's pretty much about how to solve it. Thank you.